What if the gas you're putting in your car right now is quietly damaging your engine? Not all fuel is created equal, and some brands cut corners that can lead to carbon buildup, clogged injectors, poor fuel economy, rough idling, and expensive repairs down the road. Most drivers never connect these problems to fuel choice, but it matters more than people think. Here are 11 gas fuels you should be careful with, followed by 5 that are genuinely good for your car. Let's start with the bad ones. Number 11. Unbranded or no-name gas stations. These fuels usually meet only the minimum legal requirements and often lack the detergents needed to keep injectors and valves clean. Number 10. ARCO. The low prices are tempting, but many locations use reduced detergent packages, which can allow carbon deposits to build up faster. Number 9. Speedway. Widely available and convenient, but not top-tier certified, meaning fewer cleaning additives compared to premium brands. Number 8. Murphy USA. Common near big box stores, but typically uses basic additive blends focused on cost, not engine cleanliness. Number 7. Older Z stations. Some locations still rely on aging tanks and outdated filtration, which increases the risk of contamination. Number 6. Circle K. Fuel quality can vary a lot depending on location, storage, and how often tanks are replenished. Number 5. Valero. Not consistently top-tier certified, and long-term use has been linked to increased injector deposits in some engines. Number 4. Sunoco Regular Fuel. While their higher grades can be solid, standard fuel often lacks strong detergents. Number 3. Chevron stations with low turnover. Even good brands become bad when fuel sits too long underground. Number 2. Exxon Regular Fuel. Premium options are better, but regular grades may contribute to carbon buildup over time. Number 1. Any station with extremely low traffic, regardless of brand. Old fuel degrades quietly and can cause long-term engine damage. Now let's talk about the good gas brands you should be using. Number 5. Z Energy at modern, high-traffic locations. Fresh fuel, better tank maintenance, and improved additives help protect your engine. Number 4. Shell. Their detergent-rich formulas actively clean fuel injectors and intake components. Number 3. BP. Known for consistent fuel quality and reliable additive chemistry. Number 2. Mobil. Top-tier certified fuel that's especially beneficial for modern direct injection engines. Number 1. Costco Gas. High turnover, strong detergents, and top-tier certification make it one of the safest and smartest choices. At the end of the day, cheap gas can turn into very expensive repairs. Choosing the right fuel helps your engine run cleaner, smoother, and last much longer.